everyone, welcome to my channel and you are watching Gayatri's Craft. So in this video I will be showing how to make this birthday backdrop at home. I bought all the materials from local market and you can also find all these materials in local market very easily, and I will try to mention its online links in description. It's very easy to make. If you want to make this type of birthday backdrop at home, then this video is just for you guys. Watch this video till end and let's start this DIY.
So here I am using Canva app on my phone for making these fonts. Click on plus icon, click on custom size, fill size, click on text, type text, try to connect this like I am doing here. Now click on effects. And save this. Now open another page. Add that pic on this page. Now fit this one font in whole page. Make copies of this page. And try to join fonts in next page like I'm doing here. So we're doing this because we need big size print and we don't have that much big sheet, so we will join this after printing. I have also provided these designs in description. You can download it and you can use it. I print this on A4 paper, and here I'm using 5mm sunboard. You can easily find this in market and I have also provided its online link in description. And if you don't have sunboard, you can also use a cardboard instead of this. Use any glue. Here I'm using Fevistick. And here I'm using this cutter. I bought this from Amazon. It's good for cutting corners. If you don't have this type of cutter, you can use any cutter. It will take little time in cutting. You need some patience, but trust me guys, once it's cut, it will look amazing and it will definitely worth that hard work. I forget to mention that I joined these letters that were not connected before. Here I'm using LED golden strip light. It's easily available in market and it has double side tape, and this is adapter. This light has adhesive, but it's not that much strong, so you can see it's not sticking properly. So here I'm using polyfix glue. It's also easily available in market. So at first I thought I will put light on this without cutting, but at some places letters were too thin, so I was not able to move that strip from there. So I cut the strip from there, and now we will connect this light again, and for connecting we will do soldering. I have soldering machine, but if you don't have soldering machine, then you can visit any electronic repairing shop. They do soldings. Remove this paper and it's done. Now we will create stand, and I bought this PVC water pipe from sanitary shop. Here I am painting this with golden spray paint. This is balloon strip for making arch. You can easily find this on balloon shop. This is clear plastic thread. I am using it to hang this on pipe. So this is how I made this backdrop. Hope you like this, and if you like this video then hit that like button, share with your friends, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing DIY videos. And thanks for watching.